Sitab is a company specializing in interior architecture, design, and production of partition systems for interior spaces. Our main focus is the office sector, but we also provide solutions for hospitals and residential settings. Our story began in 2006, when we developed a patented system that allowed us to design and produce all of our solutions in-house. Today we export about 50% of our products outside Spain, serving customers around the globe. We operate in a sector where technology is not particularly advanced. In fact, we still work with metal and woodwork, specializing in kits and components. However, we went one step further by developing proprietary technology that allows us to rapidly design, market, and customize every project. Each solution is tailor-made. Thanks to our production flexibility, we can complete and deliver any project in 2 to 3 weeks, regardless of the volume required. A turning point for our company was the introduction of automated vertical warehouses, which were an entirely new concept for us until 2019. We inaugurated our first Modula automated warehouse in 2021, and since then much has been achieved in terms of space and organization. Besides recovering square meters, the real added value was our ability to adopt more efficient internal procedures, which make our everyday work quicker and more orderly. We customized the Modula extensively, configuring the trays and categorizing them by specific sectors. The latest Modula we have implemented, which is dedicated to metal structures, uses large trays of 1,200 millimeters by 4 meters, with a load capacity of up to 1,000 kilos. Additionally, we have developed special supports for larger and heavier materials in order to speed up the loading and unloading of containers. As a result, we were able to decrease delivery times by 20 to 25% and eliminate many of the manual customizations that slowed down the process.
Integrating our ERP system with warehouse management was a major advantage, as the system is now completely streamlined and easy to use thanks to its intuitive interface. This enabled us to improve our product management and minimize errors. As Modula WMS's technology is very similar to ours, integration was simple and straightforward. Modula's technicians proved to be extremely helpful and competent, resulting in a smooth and satisfying collaboration.